Hey, welcome back, guys. So let's talk about the S in solid. If you're new here, my name is Jamie. I'm a senior software engineer. I've been coding for a while now, probably about 20 years or so. And I'm just starting out my YouTube journey here. So I'm going to give you guys some knowledge of what you need to know when you're going to be getting into the development field professionally. So with that said, let's talk about the S in solid. So there's something called solid principles. So the solid principles stand for the following: single responsibility, that's what the S stands for; open close principle, that's what the O stands for; Liskov substitution method, that's what the L stands for; interface segregation; and then finally, the D stands for dependency inversion of control. Now, we're not going to go over all of them in this video. I'm just going to focus on the S. So I already wrote out a class here and I called it car. Okay, so in this class car, we have a drive method here or function and a jump function. Okay, so this is exactly what the S is not. So the whole purpose of the letter S is to have, for a class to have a single responsibility. So in this case, we have a class called car, but a car we know does not jump, right? This says I am jump roping. So a car is not going to be jump roping. That's not a thing, right? But a car can drive, right? So in this case, in order for this to be single responsibility, let's just say I had another class here. We're just going to call it the person class. And in this person class, this person can jump. So we're going to return I am jump roping here. This is a single responsibility, right? So if I get rid of it here, now this also becomes a single responsibility. The reason why? Very simple, because it's in charge of only one thing. So every single function that gets written out here. So for instance, a car can drive, a car can open doors, right? So we create a function, opening door. Okay, so this is related to a car, but a person, I mean, I guess they can technically also open a door, but a person over here in this case, they can jump, maybe they can walk, right? So whoops. So here we can say I am walking. So everything pertaining to the person would be inside of this class. Everything pertaining to the car would be inside of this class. So that is what the single responsibility, the S stands for in the solid principles. And if you want to learn more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications. I'm going to do the follow-up video on the letter O, which is the open close principle. So make sure you watch that if you are interested. Thanks for watching.